welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to do a product review. So right now on YouTube and Instagram, this product has so much hype, like it's kind of becoming like every YouTuber's favorite product, especially drugstore product. So not wait for long, let's just show you. This is the new L'Oreal 24-hour infallible, L'Oreal infallible 24-hour fresh wear foundation. Now I've seen so many tutorials now, so many reviews from really big YouTubers, small YouTubers, like it's everybody is raving about it. Everybody's just like, this is one of the best one, it's the revolutionary, blah 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 blah. So I just need to go out and grab one so I can review it for you guys and let you know if it actually is worth the hype or not and how good it actually is. So as I said, it's L'Oreal Infallible. I got myself a shade number 455. Okay, it says breathable, buildable coverage up to 24-hour, fresh complexion. Pro tip, shake well before using, blend into skin with fingers or application for flawless coverage. So, oh no, sorry, it does have a name, 455, and the shade is Natural Buff. Let's begin. I'm just gonna do my brows off camera quickly and then we'll begin with the product review. See you in a bit. We are going to begin with the foundation. So I'm just going to bring my camera a little bit more close up because I want you guys to see the coverage, the texture, and you can see my skin right now, so you can see how well it's covering my flaws and all that stuff. Right, so that's better. So you can see this is my current skin. I do have a bit of a pigmentation going on right here. You can see it is quite blatant, and a lot around my mouth. I am currently treating it, so I'll let you know when I start seeing the result from my secret weapon, then I'll share it with you guys. Okay, I'm just going to take 2 pumps onto my little tray. It's pretty liquidy, as you can see. It's literally falling, so let's see how well the coverage would be. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do first layer with a brush, and I'm using Morphe 439 foundation brush. Okay, I think shade is good. It's a little bit more yellow. I could have gone for a bit more lighter shade, but it's okay. I like my foundations a little bit darker anyway. So you can see, so far so good. I have to say it's very thin in texture. I thought it's going to be like quite thick, kind of like a total full coverage thing from L'Oreal. I was thinking it's going to be something like that, but it's really thin. So far I can see my skin is looking super good. And this is only the first layer, and I'm going really light hand with the first layer. So I want to see how much I can build this. And it's already covering pretty much everything on my face. And this is only the first layer. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. So try to bring my camera as close as possible, so hopefully you can. So you can see, I'm just gonna do a little bit more close to my eyes. That is the only reason I don't like applying my foundation with my brushes, because it's very tricky to go close to eyes with the brush. But I wanted to try this with the brush and with the beauty blender. So far I have to say this is blending so well, so well. It's not making my face look dry, cakey, nothing at all. It's just I feel like it is my own skin. Like I can't tell right now I have a foundation on. So as you can see, this is the coverage it gave me. I'm actually super surprised. Okay, I can still see my pigmentation on this area, but bear in mind, like, this is only the one layer and I did very thin layer, so I think if I do one more layer, it's literally going to cover everything. So let's just begin with the second layer. And I'll show you guys the difference between 2 layers and 1 layer. So I'm just gonna do this side of my face first. Oh yeah, oh my. Okay, with beauty blender, just going with beauty blender on top, oh my god, it just literally is going into my skin and it's looking so good and so super smooth. Okay, I like this. The side of my face is 2 coverage, like 2 layers now, and this side is single. Can you see the difference? Like how much you can build this product, so you don't have to like go very heavy hand with the first layer. You can literally build it. Rest of the face, and I'm gonna try to do some check-ins throughout the day, see how it wears off, like how it stays on my face if I leave it for a couple of hours, because it's supposed to be for 24 hours. I never leave my foundation for 24 hours on anyway, but let's do some check-ins in this video too. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish off the look, and I'll be back. Hey guys, so here we go. This is the final look. So far so good. I am feeling very good things about this foundation. It's staying on really well. My skin is looking super healthy, super glowy, and it's looking rather good. So stay tuned. I'm gonna try to do at least one check-in for sure to show you guys how this foundation stayed on or not, what was my biggest issues. Right now I feel like it's staying in a little bit around my mouth, but then the skin around my mouth is super dry right now, so it could be that as well, but I don't know. I'm gonna see how it goes for next couple of hours and then show you guys how it looks like. So hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, so next time when I'll post a video you'll get a notification. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me the thumbs up. I love you a lot guys, and thank you so much for your continued support. See you next time. Love you. Bye. Bye. Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you my first check-in. So it's been around, what I'll say, couple of hours now. As you can see, my lipstick is smudging. And so just wanted to show you the first check-in, or the only check-in. As you can see, the foundation is still wearing off really nicely. It hardly came off at all apart from this area, because I had my lipstick smudge, so I had really rubbed it and it came off. But if I wouldn't have touched it, it would have still been like this. So overall, I am really impressed with this foundation, and I can highly recommend that to all my followers. It's so good, man. You really need to try it, guys.